you feeling, buddy?
Feeling good.
Ready for it?
I am.
Maps locked and loaded.
Maps there, track's ready to go.
Look at this, 3 dash. That is a flash dash, I have to admit. That is nice. I'm just happy when one starts. GoPro's ready, phone, GPS, and a very flash dash on the Beamer.
And traction control and ABS are off.
Off. Coffee machine.
Jason got it sussed. Someone asked me about some app that I've never seen before.
Not Rever.
No, it wasn't Rever, it was he's going, I've got the map loaded but I don't know how to do it. I'm going, oh mate, I've never even used that app, I wouldn't know.
There's plenty out there. So you're the blue dot.
Yep.
And then as you move, it should follow. So this is GPX viewer.
Yep.
What I do is I put on.
Oh, that's the one.
GPX viewer.
That's the one he's trying to get working out.
So it says don't follow GPS. You want to put it on so it follows GPS. So yes, that's on don't follow GPS. We want it on follow GPS. So that way, if you scroll off, it'll always center.
Okay.
Center it.
All right. Will this say centre now, or I've got to flick it around?
It should stay center, but you just got to remember your lefts from your rights.
Yeah.
And you go. So if you get in a bit more, then it'll load. That's it. So that's old Yanchep Road down there. You've done this run before?
Yeah.
Yep. You got your position, Paz?
Yeah, mate.
What are you first up?
Hey?
What are you first up? What are you in the loop first up? You leading?
No, Angela's leading first, and then we'll swap around ski and yeah, get it all happening.
Nice.
It's going to be a great day.
Group C's caught up to us. These guys going?
Yeah, no worries.
Very good. Alright, we just had a change, so... Alright, so what GPS device are you running today on the Africa Twin?
I'm running, many people may not have seen this, but this is an original E-track.
There you go. So it's got the basic line, GPX is in it. We had to change a colour.
We had to change the colour because I couldn't see it. Might be helpful if I had glasses on that actually let me read it.
So locked and loaded. You've done 20 k's of sweep. You'll do the next 25 k's. So
I'm looking forward to it.
righto, kick on. Over to you, Drew.
G'day.
Big enough for me to handle.
Cappuccino?
Yes, thanks.
There you go.
Cheers. How's the WR so far?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Good. What's that first decent ride on it. So.
Very good. They look good. 250F.
Yeah.
Navigation?
The phone is phone's a work in progress.
In progress.
Just the
Using GPX viewer. Yep.
yeah, I'm going to get the HEMA maps. I think it's just hard to see it.
Yep. Even zoomed in.
Yeah, and the
problem is you've got to take your gloves off
Yeah.
to do anything. So.
Play.
But I had it also that way before, so I think sideways probably is a better
Easier.
plan.
Well done.
Well, that's away.
Oh.
And everything, and then we'll run out of fuel.
Yep.
Okay.
Is right.
We're not really run out of fuel yet. If we all run out of fuel, we're in trouble.
Preventative running out of fuel.
That's right. You know, it's okay.
So our long loop turned into a sand loop, which has doubled the fuel usage of the DRZ, tripled the fuel usage of the DRZ, and we've run out. But luckily Drew, running the 17 litre Safari, still has plenty left.
Plenty left. Look at that. We'll go all afternoon.
Alright boys, so today ride, navigation ride,
Yeah, awesome.
Well done, Jason.
we made it.
Yeah, we did.
So what we did, yeah, we split up the groups and yeah, everyone got the gin. Afterwards we passed Drew and myself, we hit the sand tracks, so, and yeah, we did a few more Ks. A lot more Ks, so yeah,
Hard going. That's good.
some deep sand, good.
Awesome day riding.
Finished up at the OVT and yeah,
With a beer.
with a beer.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.